Abusia for me mama kwaba adeba Xposed so Xposed is no Ghana and beyond. And bra and sembi esisi and a Ghana for a kawana doing Ghana for a chere wana doing na aha aye Xposed jindi e kofa asem de ba na yepese e church room ana ye ma so o chere wadwin after we have posted a video and I kasa a day I found. One say Ashanti region no it is a place eba MPP abatwo party a omo kra de sebi ebi mutu make say ye de aponchi gina na the NDC be gina one de ombeto ama aponchi since aponchi no eda MPP so these are all some retired words and now we be can ensem bia barbaric so bon say na nkofo bi mu enka na we na since a way strong go no development kakra ayeden akoso na ekwan bi a ye one of the roads I can't recall the name na issue a abesi so no kire say road ya ye ne fefefe na wo say car efa so no ene em say kuafo ene wo sa akoro no so no omade sa kwan no omade kwan no half ene mo hata omukoko wo so ena we ena me nim onipa kura or two or ma Osei obe me ho say na menka no Osei regional minister of Ashanti region no upon na suti na okoye inspection and I be as inspection oko on the roads no koto say ekwan ya ma mo se mo fa ka emfa so na kwabrane asore ekwan no say ga ono de obe hata koko e wo so we de obi be say regional minister ni anche one be like it. He never liked it. He wasn't happy. It to most of video na otim oye didi a kwan so motia and obi kra or make a comment where he say na moti ha and na mo hwe say nyoma we e koso meaning he was referring to omo ye bypasses na neighbors no more around na motia na nyoma we koso e kwan so ni hata koko oh come on Ghana for mo yama na bus ebusian for I am hwe video.
Because Ghana you're there. And yes, sir. Count is a con of you. Ya ti Ghana da ben ye hata kuku a lot of people. Say when check am see. What was in the garam see? We have a chiwako. We better no saba. Ten young fan ko. Ya chinu ko no on to basaba e hu. We dey tika kram se. Wage we all know wage. Imin wa jimi aso wage go ge jo. We nyasa benu ade we nyasa benu
opani abotre wadawo wadawo ma abotre
hey chimia ko so kaba chimia ko hey chimia ko hey ni to che we ore jam mesu so be saba mi are
On say video yi e course so sa no onim say Ghana de ubenya power ama say tumi be di hu say na wo position bi a enye bibia obeye bia ne beye enkofofe yes e wo mu say oman ni mu ayedi country ni mu ayedi dindin but it seems things are not really going on and by social comment section for adwin a omo share issue no me pese also o kire wadwin say anya bia the regional minister eye and say enye but mama come asem kakra entum ekwan ye my say be road at least akwan no say bi obi ye eye obi ye wedding and now oni baby a no pese oye wo baby a come on as much as obey no obetuma akọje permission no aye for some time but say ye be ye kwan amaye na ye be hata koko e wo so de na den ye pache na we na nkofo bi nso a kire wona adwen say ai 2 minutes de be hye mo sa na mo kasa say na wo say regional minister en kasa we na me so me bisa o regional minister na nkon kasa say adenti na ye omanfo na ye nso ye mpese ye bebu mra say ye pese ye penyifo no omo ye law abiding citizens and are law abiding people for the community and the society and for the country. Please, I will say yes you di amraso. Like I never imagined it and anameti as yes. E kwan ya ye e di amaye. Ye hata koko wo kwan so. Na car ba car na fahin. Nti we obi ba no the car be fasa koko yi so na koko we be sa ka so okofe police e meti ni pe de koko car be fasa koko yi so na. I think regional minister Inkra was not even supposed to be there. Like the DC or the district chief executive, some more around assemblyman was still holding on this issue. This where you're so low for the regional minister to even be showing his face. Because this thing is not a regional minister's job. It's just an assemblyman who will see this and tell the person, now one kasadia was it, is it okay? But in Ghana, you see your decentralization and your centralization. So akwai se bibia ye bia centralization even a kwan kra na ade bi kra se wo tokuru mu kra ese aban be enso yenim se this centralization eboa ema enyome bia ewa esoro no ye sotwe so ema ni besi DC MCs tina mampanyi appoint sankofo say na other minor staffs they will be taking care of all that we na regional minister and wasem e wo so oman mu ya de ye mpanyifo no boy abro but this one come on I will never go against this minister. What they did over there was right, but maybe you should say, and you don't put a bell or because there were people, assemblyman, that these are their responsibilities, and yet the Ashanti regional minister. They are above him. The obey no so since he have to now come down and come and control somebody to not do something. Common sense. We so the say just common sense. Ebusia for me amede tumedie ebro enye obi ase onua be ma limo elikem kwame ameka mwan hwe ne yenso yembo ya bra ye as timedifo ne yenye nyompa we obi be kan na tim regional minister be na okasa bebre enye kasa we mfa say we ego power what they did there in my opinion was there the right way na aha ena mede wo epese kasende ebese share.
Oniado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa ede apostle anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama won na akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem ede amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo mo adwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda